That's a fucking dinosaur right there. That is a dinosaur. That is a fucking stegosaurus. You need to run. Check the laptop. Pursue animal. Bro, I'm some lady in fucking yoga pants out in the middle of goddamn Siberia. What do you mean go pursue the... Check the laptop. It might
Let's see
have
what I
fucking
can find
Fortnite
on
on it
here.
or something. Maybe we can use that to get out of here. That's porn. What will Jessica do? Play game book. Swear to God, if there's porn on here, I'm going to be so pissed.
This could be fun. I wouldn't mind having whatever they're drinking.
No. No. How do I leave? How do I leave? How do I leave? How do I leave?